The common mistake that I see first-time home buyers making, especially when they are getting an FHA loan, is not asking for enough seller concessions. And what I mean by that is FHA allows up to 6% seller concessions that the seller can pay to the buyer for closing costs. Now, a lot of people will come back and say, well, closing costs aren't that high. Well, that is kind of true, but they can be that high. And that's the point right now. The difference is that you can take those seller concessions that are 6%. So let's say you're purchasing a home for $300,000. You can get $18,000 towards your closing costs. And what you're going to do is take a portion of that $18,000 and pay for taxes, insurance, title company fees, any lender fees. But you're going to use the remaining part of that to buy down your interest rate permanently. This is exactly what builders are doing to lower the interest rate. So instead of, let's say, getting a FHA loan at 5.75%, you could actually be getting an FHA loan for 4.99% in today's market. So don't sell yourself short. When you're negotiating, you need to be negotiating for a higher seller concession to help buy down your interest rate. This specifically applies to first-time home buyers with FHA loans, but it also will apply to conventional loans. It just is going to vary on that 6% because some conventional loans will only allow you 3% in seller concessions. If you have questions about purchasing a home in Florida and maximizing the seller concessions so you get the best interest rate you can right now, feel free to reach out to me, leave a comment below, or reach out to me online.